Hi Kingdom Insiders, it's Jamie Lee McIntyre, registered dietitian and the food and wellness contributor for the Kingdom Insider. Welcome to my Kingdom Kitchen. Today we are making Snow White's apple pie smoothie. So this is the type of thing that you can make at home any day as part of breakfast, as a magical themed snack. It doesn't have to be only for dessert. So let's get started. We are using today the Go-Go Squeeze applesauce. So these are great to pack in your park bag, of course, for lunch boxes, but they are the official applesauce of Walt Disney World. So very on theme with our Snow White apple cinnamon smoothie today. So we're gonna start with one packet of the apple Go-Go Squeeze applesauce, and you're gonna put the whole thing in there. These are, let's see, 3.2 ounce little packets. So they are the perfect snack size, and they're perfect for our single serving smoothie today. Once you got that in there, we're gonna add a little bit of yogurt. Today we're gonna do the banana low-fat yogurt on the go by Go-Go Squeeze 2. Again, they're just the perfect portions and perfect for smoothie making. This has 90 calories in the pouch, and it packs in 4 grams of protein. So we're gonna put that in next. And you can have these at room temperature, which is great, but you can also chill them too. If you're packing them in your park bags for a day at the park, or if you're packing them in lunch bags, what I like to do is freeze them and then put them in knowing that a few hours later they're gonna be thawed and chilled and ready to consume. But they're good at room temperature as well, which makes them super convenient. So once we have our applesauce or yogurt, we're gonna put in about a few, maybe 3-4 ice cubes. We're gonna put in half of a frozen banana. We're gonna put in half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna put in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then this is about a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm doing an oat milk today, but you can do any type of milk at home, whatever best suits your family's needs and dietary preferences. So once that's all in there, you're going to screw on your top and then put it into your blender. And what I just really want is for the banana and the ice cubes to get really broken up in there. So I'm going to do a few more seconds. Okay, so that was about another 15 seconds. So you can see in less than a minute, it's all ready to go. Oh, it looks so good. It's basically like apple cinnamon pie in a cup. And I am taking this one for my son at school pickup because it's the perfect after school snack. But of course, not without me trying it first. So good. So give that a try at home. It's a little way to kind of bring a little magic into your kitchen, which we're always talking about here with our Kingdom Kitchen recipes. If you have any ideas, send them in to me, jamie@thekingdominsider.com, and make sure that you tag Kingdom Kitchen if you're posting any of your creations on Facebook or Instagram. Bye, Insiders.